Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for creating CAMT files version 053 from CSV file. On my computer you see I have a CSV file which is comma separated CSV file, and it's free CSV URL. It's showing what is inside of CSV, and also I can export into different format. I will leave link on this app into description. You can see I have a couple of columns: account ID, transaction ID, reason, proprietary code. This is CAMT code, amount, date, IBAN, BIC, name, and currency. And I will be using all these fields for creating CAMT file. Also I can open it into, I don't have Excel installed on this computer. Excel is not required to install, but I can open it into Excel Mobile just to show you how. I cannot change, this is like free version of Excel. I cannot change anything. I cannot resize this. It's like, I don't know. I'm not using this often, just to show you what is file inside. So first I will download application from this website. I will link on the site into description, and I will be creating more applications here. But right now we have CSV to camt. Also I can search CSV to camt, and it's searching. I will click on this page, click on download, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I'll be, as I mentioned, I will be creating more CAMT applications and recording more videos. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, one important thing: if you have this CSV file open in Excel, close it before using in converting application, because Excel is locking file exclusively and not allowing any other application to access it. So if you try to convert files, it's still open into Excel, you will get errors that application cannot access file because it's locked by Microsoft Excel. So we close this, we closed the CSV, so we are good to go with conversion. So I click on downloaded archive. I just downloaded. Double click on the inside archive and click on more info. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click on finish on final screen. And you can see the application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and this. It's my folder, it's my document CAMT folder. And this, and double click on shortcut launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we have to select our CSV file we would like to convert to CAMT. I'll click on this button, navigate to my CAMT folder, and select compile detail CSV. It's CAMT input detail CSV. Also, if you want to have this file downloaded, it's just example file, but it will give you idea what CSV files should look like. Also, if your CSV file look different, it's okay. I will show you why it's only importance of the data that it's carrying, not by like amount of fields or order of fields or anything like that. So I selected my CSV file, click on next step. Here we have to map our CSV data to CAMT data. On the left side, I have a CAMT columns, and on the right side, I have my columns from my CSV. As I mentioned, if your CSV has different field names, it's fine, as soon as you match your correct column to correct CAMT column. So this is account data, and basically it doesn't matter what is here. I just type it does matter because it depends on CAMT, but it's account numbers that are common to all transactions. Now date column is called booking date in my CSV. Account reference is account ID. proprietary code is proprietary code. Then transaction ID is transaction ID, amount is amount, currency name is a name, IBAN here, BIC here, and description called reason in my thing. So you can see it has I just mapped all columns from my CSV to CIMT columns. Click on next step, and then first step I just click run. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay. Just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. Now I don't have so basically, I'm not going to upload this CMT file into any software just to show you, but I have a XML viewer. It's capable of showing what is inside of XML file, and basically CMT is XML file. And you can see we have all CMT data here, proprietary code, reference, amount, currency, CIDRNM, name, reason code. So yeah, basically we have all our CIMT file created. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.